Hi, my name is Matt. I'm a nurse practitioner and clinical educator here at Econos. I'm going to show you how to use pulse wave Doppler, also commonly known as spectral Doppler, on your Kosmos system. Pulse wave Doppler, or PW Doppler, helps you analyze blood flow from specific locations in the heart and vessels. This feature is available with both the Torso-One probe and Lexsa probe in the heart, abdomen, and vascular presets. Right now we're using the Lexsa probe. Let's start scanning in the vascular preset. First, find the longitudinal view of the carotid artery, then tap the PW icon. You can adjust your Doppler steer by tapping Steer on the top left menu. You can also adjust your Doppler angle by tapping on the sample gate and rotating the barbell to the desired angle. To activate the PW Doppler, tap Update. You can adjust the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the wall filter to reduce noise, change the audio level, modify sweep speed, and invert the waveform if needed. Once the desired waveform is obtained, tap the freeze icon to freeze your image. To complete measurements, first select either the venous or arterial dropdown. Then select the corresponding measurement, such as peak velocity. Next, let's go over how to use PW with the Torso-One probe. If you're using Kosmos with Link, tap the upper right corner to switch probes. Let's start scanning in the heart preset. I'm going to find the apical 5-chamber view and look at the aortic valve. Now I have an A5C image I'm happy with. So, like we did with Lexsa, I'll tap the PW mode icon, position the sample gate to the LVOT, then tap Update to see the waveform. You can again optimize your waveform by adjusting the scale to capture different velocity ranges, adjust the wall filter to reduce noise, change the audio level, modify sweep speed, and invert the waveform if needed. If you would like to see both the B mode image and Doppler at the same time, tap the B mode live button. This gives you a useful split screen view. Adjust the baseline by tapping it and sliding up or down as needed. Once you have an optimal waveform, freeze the image to take your measurements. Find additional information in the Kosmos user guide at econos.com or reach out to your local Kosmos representative. We are here to help.